안녕하세요. 봄쌤입니다. Hi everyone, Bahari here. Welcome to Bahari TV, where you learn English and much more. Are you ready? Let's go. Congratulations on finishing lesson 1 of the beginner level. This video is a test for lesson 1. There are 5 questions. Read and answer carefully. For each question, you have 5 seconds to think and answer. Are you ready? Let's go. This is a question. Which one is correct? Choose the correct answer. The correct answer is B, because you cannot use hello with friends and family. You can say hi or hey to your family. The correct answer is A, because 5 a.m. until 11:59 a.m. would be morning. The correct answer is C, because it's okay to say morning, it's okay to say good morning, but do you remember? It's not okay to say evening. We should say good evening. The correct answer is C, hi. Why? Because you are talking to your mom and you can say good afternoon, mom. And why is it afternoon? Because it's 4 p.m. And we cannot say afternoon, we have to say good afternoon, but not to your mom. The correct answer is A. How do you do, sir? Because sir is a formal title. You can say, what's up, sir? Or how's it going, sir? These are not polite. Well done! You are done with this test. If you answered correctly, congratulations. And if not, it's okay. Don't worry. You can always practice more. Talk to you in the next video. Bye-bye!